Okay, we're doing some tracking game. This is a bullet stick with some beef liver, and I'm walking really low, and I'm hiding at here in this area. All right, so the house is there, and this is a big field. I'm heading right here, the last, whatever you call this. We'll see if Seneca can find the bullet stick. All right, it's a long walk. You can see the window with the curtains down, so there's no cheating, no looking at where I walk, and I'm gonna let Seneca out right now. All right, Seneca, go find Boo Boo. All right. Wrong direction. Maybe smelling something from before. I don't know. Okay, she corrected herself. All right. She seems to be tracking something. Oh, look at that. Wow, you gotta give her credit. She went, oh my God, look at this. She is very close to the last one. Oh, yes! Oh, she found it. Isn't that amazing? I don't know how she does that. It only took her like 30 seconds. It's incredible. Look at her. She took the boo-boo. Oh, good job, Seneca. Good job.